If your backyard feels cluttered, underused, or just plain uninspired, the right shed can completely change it. I'm Brad Smith, and with over 15 years of experience at Omni Home Ideas, I've helped homeowners turn simple outdoor structures into beautiful, functional focal points. In this countdown, we're revealing the top 10 farmhouse shed ideas that blend charm, storage, and style, so you can find the perfect look for your space. Let's start the countdown. At number 10, the two-story farmhouse storage shed is impressive, but it's also the most commitment-heavy option on the list. It gives you serious vertical storage, yet it needs more space, structure, and budget. If you've got the room, though, it can turn a crowded yard into an organized, highly functional extension of your home. A tiny farmhouse shed home office is a smart idea, especially if you need separation from the main house. I'm ranking it lower only because it works best for specific lifestyles. Still, that quiet little workspace can dramatically improve focus, reduce distractions, and make remote work feel more intentional and polished. The farmhouse shed with a cupola and weather vane brings instant charm, and that's exactly why it belongs on the list. It doesn't add much utility on its own, but it elevates the whole backyard with classic character. Sometimes the smallest architectural details create the biggest visual payoff. A greenhouse potting farmhouse shed is one of the most practical designs here because it blends storage with gardening function. I'm placing it mid-list because it's specialized, but if you love plants, it's a game changer. You get a workspace, a growing zone, and a beautiful backyard feature all in one. The cedar shingle shed retreat ranks higher because it feels less like storage and more like a true escape. Cedar brings warmth, texture, and a natural softness that works beautifully in a backyard setting. If your goal is a peaceful personal retreat, this style makes the space feel inviting the moment you step inside. A wraparound porch farmhouse garden shed is where style and function really start working together. The porch adds usable outdoor space, makes the shed feel larger, and gives you a place to display plants or tools. It's a strong choice if you want your shed to look like a true miniature farmhouse. The black farmhouse shed with a metal roof is a standout because it delivers instant contrast and a modern edge. Dark exteriors make surrounding greenery pop, while the metal roof adds durability and a crisp architectural finish. It's bold, practical, and surprisingly versatile in both rural and suburban yards. A red farmhouse barn-style shed earns the top tier because it instantly delivers that classic rural look people recognize and love. Red barns feel nostalgic, welcoming, and timeless, which makes them perfect for a backyard focal point. It's not just storage, it's a statement piece with real personality. The modern farmhouse shed with a shed dormer ranks near the top because it solves a real design problem. It brings in more light and usable headroom. That dormer makes the interior feel bigger and brighter, which is huge if you want the shed to function as storage, a studio, or a flexible hobby space. At number 1, the classic white board and batten shed wins because it's the most versatile and timeless choice on the list. It works with nearly any home style, reflects light beautifully, and instantly makes a backyard feel cleaner and more intentional. If you want one shed style that never goes out of fashion, this is it. From cozy rustic charm to smart, functional storage, these farmhouse shed ideas prove you can add beauty and purpose to any backyard. If you found inspiration here, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more design ideas, and visit omnihomeideas.com for even more home inspiration and helpful resources. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.